Yeah.
I got you. All right, can I get your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah.
132, 117, swing my way. I'm 10-4. Just 2 drinks tonight?
Yeah.
All right.
Honestly, I don't drink a lot.
No.
No.
No, I gotcha. What's your name?
My name's Amber.
All right, Amber.
Yeah.
Would you mind just taking all that out for me, Amber?
Okay.
Just take it all out of there. So, Amber, because you told me you had a couple drinks, I can smell it coming off of you. All right, I'm gonna pull you out of the vehicle.
That's fine.
Just to do some field sobriety tests, okay?
Yeah.
Just so I know you're okay to drive the car. Can I get your license too?
First, the test.
Yeah, grab the license and then we'll do some tests. No warrants, weapons, points on your license, anything like that, Amber?
Do they have weapons?
You never know. You never know. Gotta ask, you know?
I don't have weapons.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah. That's definitely good.
Alrighty, thank you very much. And if you wouldn't mind just stepping out for me, okay? County 53, 133, pulling one out for fields. Alrighty. All right.
Okay.
We're gonna stay right here, okay?
Okay.
You can stay right here. Stand over here.
Okay.
All right, face me.
Yep.
Before I start these tests, do you have any medical issues, any injuries, anything that would prevent you from walking in a straight line or standing on one leg?
But
Okay.
probably not.
Okay, I got you. All right. So while I give you the instructions for these tests, what I want you to do is put your left foot in front of your right foot, like I'm doing right now, touching heel to toe. And I want you to keep your hands at your sides, okay? Now, when I tell you to, stay in that position, all right? Stay in that position. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 steps, heel to toe. I'm going to do 3 steps just to demonstrate, okay? So, I'm starting here. 1, 2, 3. As I say these couple steps, I'm going to count out loud. I'm going to keep my hands at my sides, okay? Once I hit to 9, all right, so I hit my 9th step, I'm going to take small, choppy steps, and I'm going to do 9 steps back the other way, okay?
Okay.
So
hit 9 and then turn around.
Hit 9 and then turn around. Make sure you count out loud. Keep your arms at your sides the entire time. Do you have any questions? Do you understand?
Correct.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Completely. No
Yes.
questions. Okay. Ready? You may begin the test, okay? Heel to toe.
53, 117, Caleb, 133.
Count out loud.
6, 7. Okay. Ma'am. 8, 9.
Okay.
Do you like that?
All right. And now 9 steps back.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is that it?
That was
Alrighty. All right. Now what I want you to do, we're going to do another test.
Okay.
While I'm doing this test, I want you to stand at the ready position, feet together, arms at your sides.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to demonstrate the test and describe it to you, and then you're going to do it. Don't start until I tell you to. What you're going to do is stand at the ready position. When I tell you to start, you're going to lift 1 foot out, whatever foot you want. Okay? You're going to lift it 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel.
Okay.
You're going to count out loud, like I'm doing. Okay? 1, 2, 3. You're going to keep counting until I tell you to stop. Okay? Whichever leg, your choice, and you're going to count out loud. Okay?
Okay.
You may begin the test. Any questions? No questions? Alrighty.
How Do I count to 10?
Keep counting until I tell you to stop, okay? Count out loud.
6, 7, 8, 9.
You all right?
Nope.
All right, let's start again.
Okay.
At the ready position,
Okay.
when I tell you to begin, foot comes out in front of you. You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Ready? Begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, Amber, just sit tight for me, okay?
Okay.
She's definitely 450. She stinks of alcohol, and I don't know if you saw her walk and turn, but it was really bad. Yeah.
No.
You want me to do the walk and turn again?
No, whatever. You did it, so as long as you're confident that she's intoxicated, you want to bring her in.
How about H? I can't do H.
I don't have HGM.
All right.
Strobel might, but I don't have it.
All right,
So I can't do it either.
I'm gonna put her through the walk and turn just so you can see it one more time. But she's.
I mean, I don't need to see it. Whatever you think, as long as you're confident in it and you smell it. And,
It's strong.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to confirm, I haven't even ran all her information or anything like that yet. Will I do that? You want to talk to
did
her?
you ask her anything about?
Yeah, she's coming from Jack's in Long Branch. She's had a couple.
All right. Do you have all her information? Is there anyone else in the car or just her?
No, just her.
All right, just run the information.
All right. Good to go?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, you did the test, but it definitely.
Yeah. All right, Amber. I'm gonna need you to turn around, place your hands behind your back, okay?
I'm
You're under
being
the arrest.
arrested?
Yep.
Okay. That's terrible.
All right, just give me your hands. Yep.
All right, Amber, listen, here's what's going to happen. We think you had obviously had a little too much to drink driving. You didn't do well in the test, so I could smell the alcohol in your breath. You said you had, something to drink. So the car has to get impounded. All right? Yeah, it does. It's not a choice. It's the state law requires it. So, so you're going to come down to the police station. We're going to do some processing, get a breath sample from you. Ultimately, you'll get released with tickets, and you'll have somebody just come pick you up. So
Not going to jail or
there's
anything
a
like
process,
that.
And then you get released and you can go home. It's not, it's some paperwork we have to do and everything, and then you get released with some traffic tickets. You got to come to court later on.
My dad's gonna kill me.
Well, you don't have to tell him. I mean, you don't have to call him. How old are you?
else
You're
am I-
not, well,
I'm 28.
do you have
Who am I gonna
do you
call?
have a friend? Anybody. It could be a friend.
No,
it could be
I'm not
anybody
gonna
that's
call a friend.
anybody that's sober can come pick you up. It doesn't
Whatever.
have to be a parent. It doesn't have to be.
Well, here's
We'll talk about that when we get inside, obviously. Do you have your phone? Let me get some things out of the car for you if you need. Do you have your phone and like your wallet? I don't want to impound the car with that in it. We'll get it. You can wait.
Just stay here, Amber. Just stay here with me.
Is that in the car, or do you have?
Is it all in the car, Amber? It's all in the front seat? I think it's in our bag in the front seat, Sarge.
Do you want me,
All
to,
right.
get you want me to get your bag, Amber, so you can bring it with you?
Just take whatever.
Well, I want to make sure you have the stuff you need out of it.
Yeah, my stuff is
In the
what
bag?
you said. Yeah.
In the bag? Okay.
All right, Amber, come over here with me.
Okay.
Hey, it's all right. People make mistakes.
The backpack?
No, it's the state.
What color is it?
It's in my bag, which is in like the. It's black. It's probably in the. Can I just show him?
Yeah, we'll take a walk
Okay.
over there.
You're talking about the small
All right,
bag, like
yeah.
a little shoulder bag?
It's a shoulder.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, so it's in the.
All right.
Okay.
We're going to
I'm
come
not
this way.
gonna like.
No, I got you.
Okay.
I got you. I just want to make sure we're safe. You know, we're on a highway. All right, ready?
Okay.
We're going to walk out. I'm going to put you in my car, okay?
Yeah, it's really not that serious.
All righty. All right, you can slide in there.
Okay.
All right, yep. Nope, you're good. Just like this. I'm going to move this over here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to move that like that.
Yeah.
I'll buckle you in here, okay?
Okay.